Finally the hair is done. I don't like the style. I usually try to try new versions of hairstyles that I can do, considering I only do braids, and in this regard just cornrows, or what we call lines. Okay, so with something that is simple kama kawaida. Anyway, my fridge is filthy. If I tell you that, you think I'm kidding. I had some yogurts I needed to put inside and I was ashamed. I was like, who owns this? Because I don't live in the same house with it. Well, I'm not an extremist in any way, so I try to stay organized and clean, but not like I won't sleep with if the utensils are dirty. I'm not that kind of person. Okay, anyway, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel. If it is your first time here, thank you so much to the new subbies. I appreciate you, and for you for always being here, asante sana. So the plan is to clean that mama's cupboard. Okay, cool cupboard. Anyway, I hope you will have fun. Also, I will share today's dinner because sometimes you do healthy, sometimes you don't. Okay, life, right? I will show you the before, I will show you the after, I will show you the in between, I will show you when I return everything that is supposed to be there, because this is not an organization in any way, it's just returning things there. Okay, if you want to do the organizing, to watch the extreme organizing where labels have to face a certain way, that is not the life I live. The life I live in is the life where something is, you know, decently placed, well placed. I go upside down, that is my concern. So if it is milk, I go upside down, and then the place is clean. That is what matters. Okay, the rest is just aesthetics is not my thing. Okay, functionality is what I live for. So let me show you how that place looks. And yeah, horrible. Are you prepared to see the mess? Do you know what happens with fridges? You clean it now, you are sure it's clean, then one day you're placing something, the following minute you are placing something in there and you're like, yeah, nani, who did this, when, how? Then you're like, well, dirty dishes and dirty fridge, let's clean the dirty dishes first. Okay, so attend to a child or clean the fridge. No, the child. Okay, anyway, that is me, how I prioritize things according to how I feel the situation is like serious. Anyway, let me show you how it looks. I should be giving you a before. All right, we are doing that. Are you ready to judge? Maybe not. That won't like make me feel anything. You're free to judge me, but again, before you do that, maybe you can check under your bed. And I want to do this because I will be doing some overnight oat cup bowl situation, because I have a kiddo who is also enjoying, or maybe pretending to enjoy eating overnight oats. I don't know. I hope he is enjoying, so I am making more because I think I have 1 cup or something. So I have grapes, black grapes.
Of course I am, Mama.
Red grapes, mango from the farm. Hey, season ifike nikuwe na zingine. Then I have some pawpaw. I have blueberries. I should have picked. This is enough. Ibaki hapo ikidho. So I need to show you the fridge, and then after I show you the fridge, I use my buckets to basins kutoa whatever that I have in the fridge here, because I will need to clean. Usually for the freezer there is nothing much. Yeah, I can as well show you that. So I have a bunch bar that I use as a chiller, as a freezer for mostly what is there is vegetables. I don't have meat in plenty because I haven't any good deal meat that I can store there. The meat, I mean beef. I have some quite amount of chicken breast which I am yeah, lucky to have. So I will show you what is in the freezer, and roughly down I show you how the fridge is. And I feel like it's a Sunday. If I don't get this done, that will be the trend for the week, and I don't want to go through the week with the fridge looking like this. So that is to say that I need to clean it right away. So this is how it is. Just like my fridge, my freezer has uncooked stuff, usually butter, and then it has fruits and vegetables. Yeah, I have some lonely bag, yeah, sausages there once in a while, not an everyday kind of a thing because it's not a healthy trend. I have lots and lots of chicken breasts there. I had these two things, and then I thought it was a nice way for the portion apple. The remaining of the chicken breast is there. Those bananas, I will make some banana bread soon. Grapes, raspberries, mango. This is the only mango from the farm ya season ya mwisho. And this kapopo, these are the huge black grapes inaisha. I have more. This is what? This is some white meat. Turkey, yeah, that's turkey. More of blueberries. Blueberries nazo niko nazo kwa wingi because I think I have like 4 bags or so, or 5, because they haven't been on sale for so long. And then when they put them on sale, I made sure that I get them because I had stayed for like 4 months without blueberries. Can't buy that silly thing for 300 and something. So I wait for these. I was buying for $1.99, which is better than nothing, waiting for them to do a better deal, which they didn't. I have a bag of avocado from Mama's there. Hapa hivi I have more. That is cantaloupe or popo? Popo. No, cantaloupe. And then I have, this is mint. This is cubed mint. Just blend it and then put it there. And then I have easy mini bites and some 2 pieces fresh nyama mince because they were on sale again. And then I grabbed some. Then I have kale. This is kale. So I'll put it in the fridge part. Nitoke kwa mlango ikae hapo hivyo. I think in the future I might push all the meat to go to the freezer, the vegetable freezer. But for now, everything is perfectly done, enclosed, nicely stored, and full. Okay, so that is how my situation is. There's nothing wrong as having vegetables and your cooked food and all that. Keep whatever that serves your family, keep whatever that serves you, and you'll be okay. There is nothing much about how you're going to do it your way. Oh, these are the wine grapes, and they are from Tanzania. So that is how they look. They were from the winery, the green and the red ones. So hizo zinakuwa tu hivyo. That's the freezer part, a fridge. When we feel like making anything cheesy, we make it at home and use whatever that is there. That kabakuli has something that I forgot and I'm throwing it away. And this, I don't like this. I don't like the fact that I forget about something. That's why I rarely keep leftovers. If I have leftovers, I keep them on this chicken and fish drawer thing, a fridge. And I keep on telling you, if you're going to keep your fresh fish and chicken and all that here, it's going to stink. So don't do it unless you marinate na ukaweka. Alternatively, just to be safe, put in your freezer. You'll be throwing when you need to. Oh man, the part that I don't want you to see, you know what it is? The vegetable box. I know it's a disaster. Look at that. I have some pomegranate from the farm, probably spoiled. I have this tired cabbage, but cabbage ni uchafu tu iko nao because I don't wash the cabbage when I'm storing. I just remove the ngozi ya juu, and sometimes inakuwa na uchafu. So this will be removed because it needs to be thorough cleaned. Some juice. Ilipoa juicy. Gross. Do you feel like vomiting? Please don't vomit because yours is clean. Mine do inakaa vile nataka. All these are pomegranate from the farm. I don't know whether they are still okay, but we will find out. Meanwhile, yeah, that's a tree. Tomato gone. Hizi nimebuy a while back, and when I was placing them there, I realized the place is not looking good. Okay, my starter, yeah, another starter, yeah, Kifa. How many should someone have? I am throwing away this Dijon mustard because I will never use it, and it's probably expired. And that's not the biggest problem, is the fact that I know I will not use it. So I will just empty it and use this kaja for some other things. So I have some 3 hoisin sauce situations here. Wherever they were put, I knew zitaribika, and maybe I won't know. So I have 1 open and 2, no, yeah, you see the seal and open. 1 is open, the middle one. And then the other 2 are not open, so I will continue using that. I decided wacha zikae tu pamoja ndio nijue what happened. So see what is going on here. Almond milk open. What is this? Probably a dania from the butcher. And then hizi maziwa, they were on sale, got a couple of them. And then 2 are open at the same time. I have seen people refrigerate long life milk. Why would you do that? Ama unataka tu kupea fridge some job? Unless you want to tell me that you want to take cold milk like long life, then that makes sense. But kama ni kununua kuweka kwa fridge for whatever, I don't know. Don't do that. I was looking for this soy. Sikuwa najua mahali iko. I knew I have an open one, but look, mayo that I think I should never buy in my life, some barbecue sauce, and some ketchup that I shouldn't buy, and some mustard that I need to throw away. But this I can still continue keeping in case I feel like using it. The other one that is expired, naenda. So up close, yay, fill the fridge. So that's the situation. I need to empty everything, wash the slides, are they called the slides or the drawers, and then easy to V2, return as it is supposed to be. Meanwhile, dinner should be cooking, and I told you about the chicken. There's even a straw, you see that? That needs cleaning, so naitoa yote. Look at that. And there's a tumbler here. Who knows what is here? Oh my God. Children, I'm telling you. And then my Dania is there, tired. Look. Not interested. So I remove all these compartments and clean them. Nikiziweka kwa vegetable box. Okay, better view. Okay, probably about to vomit, so let me remove the glass slides. Hapa tu ni kuwipe, hii itaki maneno mengi ya juu as our food cooks. The plan was to make some chicken and something, okay? And I figured out that viazi is the way to go. First of all, I hate the smell of viazi, so I just want to tell you the pathetic part of me. Whenever I'm peeling viazi, I don't feel good about it. I hate it. So the smell, I don't like it. And I don't cook as many viazi recipes as anyone cooks in Kenya. that doesn't make sense. But you get the drill. So I'm making that chicken. And hizi viazi. These are viazi. Tell me why I should suffer peeling viazi when in Carrefour this was 50 bob. And these also 50 bob. All of them viazi, probably with chemicals, but once in a while, do you care? Yes, you should. No. This is the brand, the mini roast. And then there is the alphabet. It's just viazi zimeshapiwa in a way, and a friend who had cooked them told me they are flavored. So that is what we are going to be cooking. So let's cook. Meanwhile, I have vyombo in the sink, and I will be cleaning those, because the food, by the time I should be having that situation clean, because you've seen filthy. Let it be emptied so that I can give you a before and see that it is nasty. Vinegar and water, it's all you need. You can put some baking soda if you wish to, but this will sort the situation. And some nice cloth ya kupanguza. This will just go in the fridge for, ikiwa hivyo, can be snacked on by some humans. Then the rest I continue putting maziwa pole pole. I've realized I've put a lot of fruit in these. Remember, oh, this one keeps on spilling the milk, man. So I need to push it with a fork so that it can continue soaking the almond. Kidogo kidogo niongezi. You see, I made a mistake after layer ya fruit ya kwanza ningeweka maziwa, but we are going to do it. This is the situation. He did a good job. Those are the cheeses and the mini things. The blueberries, the veggies, our overnight oat cups, and easy veggies. The rest looking so good. Realize I put a lot of fruit in these. Remember, oh, this one keeps on spilling the milk, man. So I need to push it with a fork so that it can continue soaking the almond. Kidogo kidogo niongezi. You see, I made a mistake after layer ya fruit ya kwanza ningeweka maziwa, but we are going to do it. Definitely not the dinner you should be eating if you are aiming at staying healthy and or losing weight. Okay, the worst if you're losing weight, but once in a while, if you want to treat losing weight or not, maintaining your weight, which is the most important thing, or not, or even the overall health kind of checks here and there, but it's yummy, it's nice, everybody enjoyed it, there is no leftover. That's how you tell people are into the cheesy, the junky, and all that. Well, I don't know what that means. Remember, I don't know English. Well, the day is over. I'm grateful that cabinet, yeah, mama's cabinet, is clean, and that I had that minute to attend to it. Super grateful that you are here watching all this mess and me reminding you of the real life. Okay, I know your role model is all organized with everything in place and all that. That is a good thing, but in the real life, in the real world, people have messes. Okay, when is the last time you cleaned under your bed? All right, if you're like auntie clean, then lucky you, but I tell you what, take a moment and just go under those places and check and clean, because in most cases, in my 50 years of being an employer, and I quit that, they clean where you can see. Okay, check on top of your fridges, in the microwave, under the beds, okay, corners, the bathroom, wear anything behind the couches. Yeah, don't tell them I told you that, but you will be surprised. You will be surprised. The corridor and out there super clean, under the cooker messy. Anyway, thank you so much for the hangout. I hope you got a thing or two. That's my intention, and my name is Rachel, in case you forgot. See you real soon with a new one. Go ahead.